We're going to start this workshop out today talking about something fun. Weddings. What's needed to plan a wedding? How long do you normally have to plan a wedding? When planning a wedding, we have visions. Most of the time, we don't have that luxury on the funeral side. What's needed to plan a funeral? I can cross out the word wedding and write the word funeral, and don't you have to do the exact same planning? Problem is that you only have 6 to 12 hours. There are two very important questions that need to be answered immediately at time of death. How do we pay for the funeral? What did they want for their funeral? Answering these two questions in advance gives families peace of mind. If death were to occur today, use your worksheet and write down who would be responsible to pay for your funeral tomorrow. Remember, funeral homes want paid before services are performed. There are over 125 tasks that need to be completed at the time of death. These are the two things that need to be decided at time of death when you pre-plan. Now would be a good time for me to tell you that pre-planning isn't for you, it's for your family. We pre-plan and ensure many items in our life that we don't even know will happen. We don't pre-plan or pre-arrange the one occurrence that we know is going to happen. Maybe these questions are simple and maybe some are hard for you. But imagine if they're hard for you, how hard it is for your family to read your mind on what you wanted, especially at a very emotional time in their life. Get your wants and wishes on paper today. How hard is it for you to decide? Why pre-plan? Use today money for today prices. A $10,000 funeral in 30 years at nominal 5% interest is $43,000. Unfortunately, funeral homes are a business and expect the payment at time of service. If you're not going to pay for your funeral, who is? Relieves all the stress of wondering what you wanted for your celebration of life. Remember, the throw me out in the backyard isn't about you. A celebration of life is for the family and friends you have left so they can begin their grieving process. You're able to plan what you want. Last responsible thing you can do for your family. Why pre-fund? Can pay monthly versus all at once on a budget. Avoid emotional spending, transferable, Medicaid protected, has to be paid at some point anyway.
Our vision, our accountability, your success. We are the planning company that thinks outside of the box. Call me today to see if we are a fit for your Preneed program.